देखते हैं भाई लोग इसको ना कुछ 45 मिनट में खत्म कर देते हैं। इसके बाद फिर भाई के लिए ढंग से गेम खेलेंगे। एंड वेलकम लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन।
I love how the audience must think we're so like focused and so determined on this podcast. Most of the time, you guys want to just get to PUBG.
यार
ओनली केविन नॉट us हम तो बहुत
No,
सीरियस
no,
हैं
Amrit's included. Amrit's included.
नो आई गेट रिमाइंडेड व्हेन ही सेज इट एंड आई नो कि रिकॉर्डिंग वीकेंड में हो रही है तो ठीक है गेम खेलेंगे। यार अच्छा लगता है, मजा भी आता है गेम में, यार अलग फील होती है। बाकी पूरे हफ्ते सीरियस होना होता है, प्लस अपना भाई नई जॉब में है तो उसमें उसका भी स्ट्रेस रिलीफ हो जाता है। नई जगह में है, रेत के बीच में बैठा है,
नए
हर जगह
देश
से
में
नए नए देश में। केविन के लिए तो सही में नया देश ही
है ना, मेरे लिए काफी नया देश है।
yeah it's like अगर मैं केरला में काम करूं मेरे लिए so many things will be different so same
But,
similar
इस साले मैं इंडिया की बात कर रहा हूँ।
एंड अर्नब
मैं
यू डोंट
इंडिया में
बिलोंग
काम नहीं
एनीवेयर।
किया मैंने।
तो मैंने कौन सा काम किया इंडिया में केविन तू क्या बात कर रहा है
सही में ओए भाई ही जस्ट ये बस हिंदी में बात करता है, ये कोई भारतीय नागरिक नहीं है जो तुझे लगता है।
Kevin, if you want to know about how work life is in India, ask me. I'll tell you how it is. Don't worry. मैं सब कुछ
आकाश टेल
बताऊंगा.
ना।
आकाश मेरे पास एक
टेल
गंदा
ना।
जोक आया, मेरे पास एक
but
गंदा
Akash
जोक
has a
आया
source
पर
so
मैं
he can actually
पर मैं वो
हाँ,
जोक नहीं
actually.
कहूंगा। आकाश मैं तेरे बारे
Amrit,
में
you
एक
have
गंदा मजाक करने
changed,
वाला
man.
था।
तू कितना बदल गया है,
या
Amrit.
अमृत तू
Not
सेम
like-
चीज बोल बोल के तू बोर कर रहा है या
सच
फिर
में।
बोल या फिर मत बोल सेम चीज बोलता रहता है बार बार
मैं भूलूंगा तो फिर मैं वापस उस जोन में आ जाऊंगा एंड आई डोंट वांट टू एवर गो बैक टू दैट जोन। सो या ऐसी बातें नहीं करेंगे हम। आकाश आज के टॉपिक्स हैं यार, बताना यार, हमारे व्यूअर्स वेट कर रहे हैं कि
we
फालतू
ran
के
out of
गप्पे चल रहे हैं।
topics very clearly
Yes, so let us first do the intro. What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of the Vele podcast. As you may know already, this is the podcast where four friends
ओ शट
gather
अप
around
आकाश।
to talk about a
यार
range of topics.
भाई यार इंट्रो है ये।
I am your host
किसको?
Akash, and I am joined by my friends Kevin, Arnav, and Amrit.
Hey, you didn't let me say hi.
Yeah, I don't want to let you say hi because you say hi 30 minutes
So-
later. It feels like
Fuck off.
So we thought we'd dial it back this episode and start off in a mellow tone throughout. So let's start off with our first topic, and we are
Ladies and
really
gentlemen.
scraping the bottom of the barrel
Ladies and
here.
gentlemen,
So
there
what
is a
is-
disclaimer. We have
Yeah.
no topics, so this is all random stuff
Exactly.
that Kevin and Arnav came up with.
What?
so what
You were
is
not even in the meeting, I think.
so what is everyone's guilty pleasures? And if you guys don't know, what I mean by that is basically what is something that you like but is not held in high regard by
Wow,
others.
Akash has now made the podcast boring enough that by describing guilty pleasure also. If you're someone who
Exactly.
doesn't understand what guilty
I
pleasure
actually had a
is,
feeling Arnav would ask what is a guilty pleasure.
वो Arnav को
he never asked.
Arnav's life is a guilty
Akash.
pleasure. But
I-
but ये क्या कहते
Kevin,
हैं?
don't say. Kevin, don't say.
Porn.
I knew it Kevin is going to start on that note
केविन हम क्लास 8 में नहीं है कि तू पॉन बोल के यू स्टार्ट क्या कहते हैं स्मर्किंग एंड लुकिंग अवे। हाँ मैंने पॉन कह दिया, मतलब
He
भाई
like leant back away from the mic like
Yeah.
सही में। एंड ही हैज
Kevin के लिए
केविन हैज दैट स्माइल, दैट वेरी ग्लीफुल चाइल्ड लाइक स्माइल। जब उसने कुछ गलत किया है वो बहुत खुश हो जाता है।
You should have let Kevin
Akash
define it. Kevin ने अच्छे से
Akash,
define किया है
you
अपने
wrote-
expression से कि होता क्या है guilty pleasure.
हाँ,
Kevin said
exactly.
porn and
Actually,
then
yeah.
he just
I missed out on an opportunity. for
Akash,
Kevin.
Akash, is it partial style for you?
Yes. Not guilty there, but difference.
only pleasure.
Akash, there was no pleasure and it was partial implies there was no pleasure whatsoever. but again, that's the story of Akash's life. Let's not go into details.
But
of
depends
that.
what you mean by partial. There can be so many
Exactly.
things.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. You can mean so many
That
things,
is
but one thing very specifically in this case. Okay.
Anyway, who wants to go first with guilty? I know Arnav had a list of guilty pleasures ready
Kevin.
for everyone. to share.
Kevin is
Kevin
going
is-
first.
Okay, Amrit, you go
Okay,
first.
since इतने तुम पॉज डालोगे, बंदा सुन रहा होगा, सोच रहा होगा भाई ये मैंने क्लिक क्यों किया ये लिंक इन द फर्स्ट
सच है।
प्लेस। बट कि मैं इन लोगों की बकवास क्यों सुन रहा हूँ। देख मेरे लिए बहुत ओल्ड टाइम सिंपल, स्पेशली लास्ट 10 years में गिल्टी प्लेजर फॉर मी until it became like a mainstream pleasure I suppose is anime. Like because
Anime.
it was something that I had to always feel
Hentai?
doubly see, because ऐसे सवाल साइड में आते थे. I had 3 friends जो मेरे supposedly close friends थे, whom I could not talk about कि ये मेरा एक genuine interest है. This has helped me through a lot of bad times, and the first thing that would come from their mouth is, भाई तू hentai की बात कर रहा है. But anime is short for Japanese animation, and I discovered it through another friend of ours. Because मेरे बचपन में ये basic primer shows देखे थे. Like a lot of people who watch Dragon Ball and Pokemon think they know anime देख रखा है. But one of our friends, I think तुम सब obviously unfortunately भी उसे ढंग से जानते हो, अभय. हमारे
You know,
दोस्त अभय ने
we
मुझे
should make Abhay pay us or something. We've mentioned his
yeah,
name
we
quite a
mention him
lot
for
in this
free.
podcast.
Yeah, but we don't उसके किसी भी प्रोडक्ट के बारे में बात नहीं करते. But हम एक बार हुक्का मार रहे थे कहीं पे, if I'm not wrong, and he mentioned watching a show which happened to be a show which a lot of people who get into anime watch.
Death
It was
Note.
it was
Naruto.
Naruto.
Okay.
And I was like, ये क्या बच्चों वाली स्टोरी कौन कौन देखेगा, किसको समझ आएगा? But ever since then, like it's been a medium, because when you get into the basic level shows, you will kind of find them childish. You'll see, because it's very simple hero ki story, backstory, and all of that. But the way, in different ways, animation has been used by the Japanese, Japan ke themes, like from depression to suicide to something like outright sports shows, like जिस तरीके से वो उन्होंने उस मीडियम को दिखाया है, it was something that I had to watch away from people's gaze. My funniest experiences, my dad once walked in to the room and saw it on the laptop, and he just gave me a very peculiar glance and walked away. So in the evening my mom was asking me कि बेटा ये जो छोटे बच्चों वाला चीज है ये क्या है एक्चुअली, व्हाट इज
That's
इट दैट
every.
यू
I feel
व्हाट
like
इज
every
दिस
Indian parent says
व्हाट आर
that.
these what is this kids cartoons thing that you are watching now? And I genuinely felt extremely embarrassed because I was not able to explain, because I was like, नहीं मम्मी ये कार्टून नहीं है, इसको जापानीज एनिमेशन कहते हैं, इसको एनिमे कहते हैं. And it was very hard to get over that, but thankfully now 10-11 साल हो चुके हैं. Like I guess once you are my wife is someone who had experience with anime when she was young as well, so that has really helped with the transition ki okay, when mera if I'm in my free time I want to unwind, I'm going to watch it. And after all these years, discovering a new show each of the 4 months is one of the
Actually,
most prominent things in my
actually even
calendar. Like I'm looking
Tara,
I'll
your
always look
wife, is
forward to.
also super into
Yeah, but
animation,
she has a
anime,
very
and
she has a very specific shows that she likes. For me, it is just the entire medium itself. Like मुझे बहुत, it just sets me, puts me at ease, like mentally. I've seen myself calm down in very terrible situations while watching a show that I really like out of the blue. So that was will all probably will remain a guilty pleasure for me, and is my most prominent guilty pleasure. देखा, अच्छा जवाब इसलिए
nice.
सोच समझ के देते हैं बेशर्मो.
Very good. Very good. I was gonna make a funny comment, but then he's like, it took me through tough times. Like, chhod yaar, let him have this, let him have this. And then Kevin said hentai straight after that, so I was like, yeah, I didn't go very well after he said that.
See,
I was gonna say
I'm
this,
always
but
good to say that.
yeah,
I
yeah.
think Amrit is expecting that from me whenever
mean,
he says
No,
anime.
Kevin,
I talk
Kevin
about.
was saying,
no, but Kevin,
And
sometimes I wish you were a bit more supportive as a friend, but I've accepted you for who you are.
you tried to make Kevin
Hook up.
feel bad a bit.
I
Don't
don't
try
know.
and play. Kevin doesn't care.
No, it's okay. I've learned to laugh these things off. यार, क्या कर सकते हैं?
You asshole.
It's fine. It's fine.
You are like the last person who should say.
क्या हुआ Kevin? क्या हुआ?
I just remember sitting in the dorm and Kevin's like, "Abhi, ye hentai dekh rahe hai yaar, the hentai dekh rahe." He used to shout when Amrit and Abhi used to watch Full Metal Alchemist and all. I was like,
See, to be strangely, I know that what hentai is, but I've never like seen it. I just like comment. I just like saying it to Amrit because I know it's pissing him off somehow, and now he just laughs at it. And he's like, "ये
No,
अनपढ़
because-
गवार को क्या बोलूँगा मैं?"
No, because the first time ever जब तुम guilty pleasure का एक वो चीज़ है ना कि like it's something that gives you great amount of happiness and all of those चीजें. But उस पे तुम सबसे base level joke बनाओ ना, like ये भाई तू hentai देख रहा है. Back then, like my God,
I was surprised Kevin knew what hentai was. I was like, "Yeah, ये कैसे बोला?"
Kevin
Everyone
obviously,
knows that.
Kevin obviously, air quotes, has never seen it, but
Yeah.
No, I haven't. I mean,
But he
I
knows what it
honestly
is.
haven't. But yeah, but it's very. It's almost everyone knows about it now. To
yes,
be honest,
Kevin, you can
I
deny
think
it as much
it's
as possible.
like
We all believe
everyone
you.
cracks the same joke. Whoever doesn't watch anime cracks this joke. I think.
Kevin was about to say it's very common now.
मैं तो आज ही देख के बैठा बोलेगा. But yeah, भाई और
टीवी
क्या
पीछे ही
आकाश,
है.
So
since both of them are not
But I
ready to
remember-
apply
Yeah,
guilty
so-
pleasure.
I remember
what
I
is your
watched
guilty
this
pleasure?
one. I
Let
remember
Kevin say
I
it.
watched this show with a anime show. I don't know the name, with Abhay. It's supposed to be very famous on Netflix. But I really like the soundtracks on it. I really like the effort
Oh,
that they put
they
in.
have a lot of good soundtracks.
Overall that.
anime.
केविन
Yeah.
इतनी बुराई करने के बाद एक ऐसे तूने बहुत ही
He tried to
it
redeem.
doesn't work. Everyone knows. Like I
Yeah.
genuinely I cannot stand it. Like even basic cartoon I cannot
Yeah.
stand
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
Like बचपन
Arnav
में
cannot
कभी
watch
देखा नहीं है.
Mm.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
so. Anyways, yeah.
Yeah, my dad is the same. Whenever if like I'm watching like I started watching One Punch Man, my dad walks in. तू अभी भी ये देखता है?
I will have the same reaction.
भाई my father's reaction was like the thing that I was like, देखो मैं लैपटॉप घुमा के बैठूं कभी one time, इसलिए मैं डोर लॉक करके बैठता हूँ अभी. But yeah.
But yeah.
So are
So
you
my
watching
guilt-
hentai now?
नो अब तो भाई देख, जब एक उम्र हो जाती है और अपने पैसे और अपना घर आ जाते हैं ना, तब लोग उतना बोलते तो फर्क नहीं पड़ता. अब तो सबके सामने ऑन करके देखते हैं, यार दिस इज व्हाट वी आर वाचिंग फॉर लंच, थैंक्स टू नेटफ्लिक्स एंड स्मार्ट टीवी. बट या
So
Akash?
my guilty pleasure is, I think most you guys might know. I think Arnav might know. I actually liked the movie Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gham.
You know what?
Kevin,
Oh, yes, I
Kevin,
know.
Kevin made
Oh,
a
yes, I
vomiting.
know.
Kevin made a
You know-
vomiting.
I
Okay,
have
continue.
a lot of stories about that particular movie. Even I think
my
Abhinav
one-
also has.
Yeah. So my one is that it's because I think it's more nostalgia because we were all like, I remember my whole family was all together, cousins, everything, and we all went together.
Do you
watched it.
identify with Hrithik Roshan in that story?
Oh yeah, 100%. I wish.
Yeah, you wish, right?
Yeah. It's like identify with Hrithik Roshan. How does that make sense?
Yeah, I don't even remember क्या
I don't think
connection
Amrit
है.
is confusing the stories.
I'm not going to say it on the podcast.
You
He
are.
might be thinking of some different Bollywood movie.
I feel like he might be even thinking of Koi Mil Gaya or something.
ओए इसमें
But
काजोल,
anyway.
शाहरुख खान, करीना कपूर और ऋतिक रोशन होते हैं ना.
and
Yeah, yeah.
Amitabh Bachchan and
Amitabh
Jaya
Bachchan,
Bachchan.
Jaya
Yeah, some
Yeah,
crazy
yeah,
star
yeah.
cast. Yeah.
बच्चों में वही चार होते हैं ना. एंड दे एंड अप क्या कहते हैं, जो कुछ नहीं.
It's a happy ending, Amrit, by the way. I don't know which movie you're
I
thinking
know.
about.
तो मैं आकाश के लिए also I'll want happy ending only, no.
Sure you. But yeah, that I think it's more nostalgia than anything.
Hmm.
And maybe because like at home I've watched it as a family with so many family members because they also liked the movie. And then in cinema,
Akash,
कितनी
did you
बार
have some
ha-
dating experience on that movie as well?
Have you seen it
No.
multiple times? Dating experience.
a lot of times. Because it's like that movie that if it comes
A
on
lot
TV,
of times.
my whole family says, "Oh, stops
Hmm.
the TV and just watches it." So it's like
Make
okay.
sure to tag Karan Johar in this podcast. Huh? Let
Such
him know
में
कि
वही-
आकाश इतना बड़ा fan है उसकी इस movie का.
Exactly.
Wait, he was a director, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah, he was a director.
for context we should tag many people for this podcast. But yeah, क्या कर सकते हैं. हाँ आकाश.
I'm confused. I think I know where Amrit is, but I think he's wrong in that. But he doesn't get that. That's not the thing. But yeah. So mine is basically nostalgia. I don't have
Are you able
other
to-
guilty.
Was there a reason other than that, like the story or something that made you?
No,
Just
I
do
think
it.
it's just that environment I was in when we were watching the movie.
When he saw it for the first time, पूरी family
Yeah.
साथ में थी. So I think he.
And then we were all
obviously
laughing
kids.
or like, yeah, we
And
were
then
kids and everything.
then
So it's like-
all of you got into a helicopter and went to the
yeah. We all went to
Possible.
a Diwali party on a helicopter. Was it Diwali? I can't even remember.
No idea.
We all went, and then London जाके we
तुम्हारे वहाँ भी लड़कियां अपने आप को पू बोलती हैं. पू
yeah
पू
definitely.
उसका नाम पू था ना.
She was so annoying in that movie.
I think that was the whole
Kareena
purpose
Kapoor.
of it, but
I think that they were trying
maybe.
to show her very stuck up. I feel.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah,
sure
yeah.
it was, but like that
Kevin,
is so
that's
annoying.
Kevin. How dare you? That's method acting. If you haven't heard, yeah.
Yes, very method acting by Kareena Kapoor. Very good. But yeah, other than
And
that, there's
that moment where Jaya Bachchan just like feels the breath of her son who's
breath.
running
No,
to the
she
house.
feels the footsteps of the son.
Ah,
She
same
hears
shit, man.
in her heart.
Something
you know?
or the other, she feels random thing.
Yeah, but
Kevin,
all
ask your
mothers,
mother if she feels.
all mothers think
You
that-
don't do this.
all-
No,
Ask your
mothers-
mother.
she'll say no, Ganta.
Only difference is Kevin अभी camel पे आ रहा होगा. That will be the only difference.
Because he Amrit तक है.
My mom,
That you realize.
my mom knows that I am not going to walk to the house also. Entrance पे गाड़ी रुक टैक्सी में आके घुसूंगा मैं. So she also knows I'm that lazy.
But you know, honestly, since I was going to anyways, interestingly, since college, right? मैं college से पहले कभी movies देखता नहीं. I was not aware of Bollywood movies at all. Maybe once or one or two Bollywood movies मैंने शायद देखी होंगी theater में जाके. Literally in my first 18 years of life.
you discovered romance in college, didn't you?
That too, for real life, yeah. But on screen, आकाश को कौन सी मूवी है? I might
Which one?
Varun Dhawan and Alia Bhatt. So basically, I started liking
Humpty
all
Sharma,
the
Student of
Humpty
the year.
Sharma,
Dilwale
Humpty
Dulhaniya
Sharma.
or whatever and what.
Humpty Sharma की दुल्हनिया.
Something, yeah, something. Some Dulhaniya.
Yeah,
What
and then
movie
it's
is this,
Humpty.
man?
It's Humpty.
No, so it's not about that particular movie, but I started watching all these crap movies, which has no logic, completely far away from reality. But for weird reason, I enjoy those kind of movies once in a while. And it's very rare ऐसी कोई movie आती है. But
It's not a
I think-
cinema movie. Like watching it at home would be.
Yeah, घर पे मैंने I
It's
don't
fine.
think I've seen these
Yeah.
movies in theater.
No,
But
yeah.
all these Bollywood crazy Bollywood movies I started watching after 2010, maybe after 2012. And even now, like कभी कोई Netflix पे ऐसे कोई पुरानी movie होगी ना, I can go and watch it. Rewatch the same movie.
Amrit is the same. He watched Mohabbatein, watches Tujh Mein Rab Dikhta
No,
Hai.
but I never
secretly.
imagined myself watching these kind of movies. But interestingly, those are at least entertainment for me in a weird way.
Akash,
Even though I
Tujh Mein
know
Rab
those are
Dikhta
not
is
logical,
It's a
but-
song, right?
Yeah, it's a song, not a movie.
From what
But-
movie is that?
Rab ne bana di jodi.
Which one?
Oh.
Rab ne bana di jodi.
Oh, I've seen that movie.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Not a good movie.
Apparently, he just
But-
Akash,
just tried to
exactly.
copy
Like,
Clark Kent.
it's-
just remove his
Wait,
glasses and he
okay.
becomes.
Oh yeah.
And mustache. but yeah.
It's the worst
Can-
advertisement for it's the best advertisement for Gillette. अगर भाई अगर शेव नहीं किया ना पत्नी किसी और के साथ भाग जाएगी.
No, but even that movie, I know it's shit, but I enjoyed it. It's a very in a weird way. I can watch these kind of movies now.
No, because the thing is very oddly, if you put the like I wouldn't say Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum is bad. I would say it's a good. It's a movie. where
family
it'll
movie.
It'll keep you not even. It'll keep you sufficiently entertained. It doesn't even if you're watching on your own. Like Kal Ho Na Ho, it will sufficiently keep you entertained throughout. Like even if तुम्हें अगर पसंद हो या ना हो वैसे type की family और relationship type movies also, it will keep you sufficiently entertained. As an adult, I think. बच्चों as a younger age में तो obviously you'll probably like whatever everyone else is watching. So I think
Yeah.
nostalgia pick है तो that is a very good pick that way. Akash K3G
Hmm.
अच्छी movie है. And if it's
Thank
a
you.
pick based on what I think, then it's also a very interesting pick. So
I think Amrit बहुत ज्यादा सोच रहा है अभी तो. I have a feeling.
Such way, I'm also struggling to understand what you're trying to say. But moving on, Kevin Arnav, who would like to go next
I
on
can
there?
go.
Go, Kevin. Guilty pleasure.
I think
no porn.
my guilty pleasure, which is like I think it stayed through college, is like me looking at like cars I can't afford. Like I always end up going on like a used car website and keep like looking
When
at all
Kevin
these
started
used
Is
cars.
that a guilty pleasure? That's like-
I knew. I saw both
Looking
Arnav and Amrit just like smiling. Gandhi Vibhag सालो.
अभी नहीं, when
Kevin,
you
I
say कि
didn't
I
think
started
that.
watching ना and I just lost it वहाँ पे.
Kevin, I didn't think that. Okay, you saw me now. I didn't think that. I
मैंने
was
कहा
clean
kudos
minded.
to नहीं I was impressed कि kudos to Kevin कि Kevin ऐसे podcast में ये सब बातें करने वाला है. But then he switched. I started watching cars which I cannot afford. I'm like, okay, fine.
But yeah, is that a guilty pleasure or more of a desire kind of thing?
it's the problem with that is like, you're looking at like all these unrealistic targets or like very like non-practical things, right? So it's that's why are you still laughing, Amrit?
Amrit,
है
Amrit
कुछ
is-
नहीं. It's just
Now
the
we
words
know.
you are,
Now
the
we
words,
know what
the-
Amrit was
the-
doing behind closed doors.
the words you are
college.
choosing, the words you are choosing.
The words
are
you're
making
choosing,
it-
exactly. It's very, very controversial.
Yeah,
but
because
okay.
you guys are
Yeah.
thinking dirty.
क्या कर सकते हैं? To our audience listening, these are all terrible inside jokes that we should not be laughing at on a audio platform. But yeah, Kevin जो words बोल रहा है उससे different memories trigger हो रही है. Same thing happened to me with Akash. But yeah,
But I don't know if it's a guilty pleasure. Is it a? It's more of a desire, right?
Yeah, that's what I said.
Because I
It's more
think
of a
obviously you will.
desire.
It's like your dream. Like you want to buy that.
Yeah, but
No.
in the essence of that, like, you become more materialistic, right? So you claim that you are not materialistic, but
Oh, that way.
in reality we all are, right? Like we are
Right,
like
yeah.
driving ourselves based on material. It's honest truth.
Yeah, that's the.
In that
reality.
way, I always feel that
What boring
it's
answer is
kind
this?
of guilty.
Say something like a rubbish movie that you liked, like The Godfather, which no one else liked.
Kevin,
Assholes.
if you could get Kevin, if you could get one car, which car would you choose? Like
It's too
one car.
difficult to choose.
Mm.
Okay,
Like,
you can get an
Okay,
amalgamation
Okay, if I
of
absolutely
cars.
have to do
One, just
probably
one
a
car.
68 Mustang or like
वो
a
ये
Shelby.
विंटेज गाड़ियां हैं या ये नई गाड़ियां हैं?
When he said
पुरानी
68,
68.
When he
it's
said
very
68
it's very current. When he said
No,
68,
I'm
it was
saying
very current.
इसका कोई री-रिलीज्ड वर्जन ऐसा कुछ आता है क्या, या बस वही तब की बनाई हुई वही वाली चाहिए होती है
तब की
इनको?
बनाई हुई, he wants that model. He doesn't. There's
Okay.
obviously other
Now,
performance.
now can I switch it? If you could use just one car for the rest of your life, which car would you get?
Oh, that is actually a very different question.
Yeah, for the rest of your life, तुझे सिर्फ एक गाड़ी, cost does not matter. You can accessorize it any way you want, but just one
Honda
car.
Civic.
I'll choose
Honda
a bit.
Civic.
I was about to say
Nissan-
Honda Civic.
Honda
Nahi,
Civic.
a
I
Nissan
would say
GTR.
Maruti 800 Nissan GTR. Let me look how it.
Kevin, uska question was very specific. It's supposed to last your lifetime.
Yeah, it'll last me my whole life.
GTR is not it won't last your whole lifetime.
नहीं,
I was
assume this. No, Arnav, assume this कि उसको उस गाड़ी को कुछ होता है, उसको replacement सब मिल जाएगा. But वही, that's the only car he can drive for the rest of his life. Only car.
I'll be happy to drive that car rest of
I was
my life.
gonna otherwise suggest a Volvo might be a good pick, Kevin. But
Oh,
wait.
ऐसे तो
Was
then
this? Wait. Was this car on NFS by any chance?
Yeah, it was.
Yeah,
it was
it must
on
have been.
NFS.
It's a
And
sports
that's
car.
actually how I started to like love the car. Like
Abbe,
this
ye
was
must hai. Kevin,
this was the
But-
phase of I think
is
NFS Most Wanted. I think.
oh my god, that's one
Kevin
of the
did-
games I didn't
NFS.
suck
did
at.
buy a not similar car, but a car which is on a similar track in a way. Kevin, you want to
Abbe.
expand on it?
अबे 2.5 crore.
Oh yeah, I've
2.5
always
crore
looked
के
in
भी-
that area.
Yes,
So like
Kevin.
I bought a Camaro, and then when I went to Australia, I bought like a Golf GTR, like a used Golf GTR. It was a 2006. It was
Wait,
crap, but it drove.
I only
नए
hated
नाम
that
सुन रहा हूँ
Camaro
मैं
was so
आज.
cool, but I hated it when there were more than 2 people in the car. It was so
It
annoying.
was shit. वो car. I've
When
driven
two
it,
people sit in it, it's a lot of fun.
but not for. Yeah, I
It's
mean, for
good.
short distance is fine. Long distance travel, it's a nightmare.
अबे ये तो गोल्फ GTI ये होती है क्या, ये है क्या?
GTI.
ये तो
yes.
नई वाली होगी शायद. पता नहीं केविन ने कौन सी बाय की थी.
Mine
अबे ये
2006.
वाली मत
It's
ले,
a-
तू जाके निसान वाली
it's a
खरीद.
Mark 4.
ये तो मारुति 800 लग रही है दूर से मुझे.
I wonder maybe आती है क्या मारुति 800?
मतलब
आती
okay,
है ना?
रोड पे तो बहुत दिखती है मुझे.
Oh,
नहीं, but
actually,
do they actually
in
manufacture
India-
it?
इंडिया में
in
मिलती
India,
होगी भाई.
in India there is one Indian-made muscle car that I really like that I could work on. It's
Ambassador.
called the Hindustan Contessa. Have you heard of it?
Contessa में सुना
It's a
सुना लग रहा
90s
है, but I
Contessa.
maybe yeah heard of that one, but पहला जो तो नाम लिया, is that a company?
Hindustan Motors is a company, right?
Okay, I think even Ambassador उन्हीं की थी, right?
Yes,
Yeah,
absolutely.
yeah, that was a
Must
heavy
have
duty car. We had
You know?
Ambassador, yeah, for a few months, and then
I thought you had a Fiat.
Fiat. Padmini or whatever the name was.
Oh,
Padmini,
ये-
my-
I think
I had the
I've
same.
seen this car before.
It's
But this
Bumblebee.
is
It's
more of
Bumblebee.
a luxury segment car.
अबे ये जो विलेन हमेशा गाड़ी चलाते थे ये पुरानी
Yeah.
मूवीज में.
Yeah, exactly. That's the concept.
No, wait, I thought you were talking
वो
about
तो
the
ओमनी
Mustang.
वैन थी. That is the Omni van.
नहीं केविन,
नहीं,
वो थे जो
उसमें-
वो विलन किडनैप
उसमें-
करते
उसमें-
थे.
या वो
हाँ, yeah.
वो था अत्याचार वाला वैन. ये
Correct,
वो वाली
yeah.
वैन, ये वो वाली गाड़ी है जिसमें विलन कूल उसमें आके सिगरेट
Sophisticated.
या
Yeah.
ऐसे फेंकता था.
My uncle actually had a Omni van, and that was like the
I
image
thought your
that you
uncle. I thought
always
your
get.
uncle. I thought you were
with
going to
that
say
car.
my uncle was a kidnapper or something.
Yeah,
Oh
in
my
Africa
God.
उसके जो अंकल है
In
ना वो है.
Africa, I knew it. I knew it. Africa would come. I knew it. For our
For
audience,
listeners, I
Arnav
don't know
made-
why, but
Yeah.
Amrit
Kevin, go.
Arnav made an uncle for me somewhere in random.
That sounds wrong.
No,
In my
Yeah.
in my defense, Kevin actually narrated the story जब वो हम college में थे or right after college कि उसके uncle है, he's thinking of taking a job in Africa. I was like, cool, that's
no,
pretty cool.
not
I remember
really.
Career
I'm
path.
living with Kevin, and I'm like, we were discussing job future, and then I'm like, Kevin has never told me enough that he has an uncle in Africa. And he's like, "नहीं, Kevin ने मुझे बताया."
I don't know where he's got this information from. I really don't know.
Hmm.
Anyway, Arnav, guilty pleasure. Go.
Wait, I just talked about it, right?
I
Even
think
weirdly
he talked about watching trashy movies.
trashy Bollywood
it's
movies.
cars. Oh, okay, that way.
Yeah. Like
Is
man,
there-
I think that Dulhania, I have seen that movie twice or
Okay,
thrice,
that
even
was
though some Varun Dhawan and Alia Bhatt movies. It's a crap movie, but I enjoy those masala Bollywood movies.
Although Badrinath ki Dulhania was not bad.
Badrinath की दुल्हनिया, it is, yeah, वही दुल्हनिया
It
दुल्हनिया
was
Nice.
decent.
दुल्हनिया में.
Could be a
हम
good
3
story.
गिल्टी प्लेजर हो गए. अभी अर्नव का गिल्टी प्लेजर कौन सा था?
Arnav said crappy. We obviously
I like-
didn't hear Arnav say. We thought he was
Also,
just telling
like-
some story.
Oh,
No.
okay.
I think another secondary one that
Sorry,
I think
Arnav.
we all
I think Arnav, I've gone back to like zoning out your negativity. I think that's what's happening. But yeah.
Hmm.
I think
But
we
it's not
all
so
have like
negative.
another guilty pleasure, which is watching random as YouTube videos. I remember watching this one, which I really enjoyed.
Actually,
There's
that's
some
true.
guy sitting in front of this like his wife is in the bathroom and he's singing like random ass songs, like you know, shave your coochie or something like that. It was really funny, the songs that she was singing.
No, I
Yeah.
always
I
always
would say I am not part of whatever algorithm
whenever
that
I-
he is on. I don't
When-
listen to that. That's
whenever
not
I
Kevin,
upload an
no, this-
episode, it's
No,
always
this is one guy. This is one guy. I can't remember, but his songs are actually super creative. Like he comes
Kevin John.
on the spot, he does start creating all these random ass songs,
Oh, yeah.
which
Bro,
to
the
piss off
lyrics
his
you-
I
wife.
was
the lyrics you said seemed like super severe. Like इतना अच्छा talent पता नहीं कहाँ से उठा के लाया होगा वो. But
I don't know. And this guy, like, I think he was singing about PMS and stuff to piss her off. It's like, I mean, the guy was actually pretty creative.
Kevin,
But, yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
जब भी तेरी शादी हो ना, ये मत करना ऐसा कुछ भी.
I,
It's
I
not
was
going to be
going to
creative
say
उस time पे.
I was going to say I always
Arnav,
pick.
it's not creative right now also. It's
नहीं,
not-
अभी तो अकेला रहता है भाई, अभी क्या फर्क पड़ता है उसको.
I'm just saying it's not creative even now. But I think
When I-
for me the guilty pleasure would be randomly अगर मैं कुछ कर रहा the YouTube algorithm में puts up podcasts of Akash, तू remember wrestling का वो attitude era उस सबके ऊपर जो 97 से 2000 के बीच में जो रॉक और स्टोन कोल्ड का उसका हो, तो I must have watched some highlights video of it and then suddenly this guy का show comes up on my thing, Jim Cornette. And he only talks about like wrestling का 70s 60s 80s से लेकर अभी तक
History.
प्रोफेशनल रेसलिंग कैसा होता था और वो ही मेक्स फन ऑफ WWE AEW सबका मजाक उड़ाता है. That has become something I listen to throughout. अब तक फिर randomly even though मुझे उसके आदत, he says it in such a funny way, that has become. अब फिर इंडियाना बेस्ड एक बंदा है पैट मैकफी, उसका एक स्पोर्ट्स शो है, वो शाम को जब स्ट्रीम होता है, like I somehow just randomly listen to episodes of that. So I think that also counts as guilty pleasure. But things which I have no idea or clue about, but I just meaninglessly listen to them. I don't
आकाश,
listen
तू
to
कुछ कह
whatever
रहा था
Kevin is
podcast
listening
के
to.
बारे में
but
क्या?
yeah.
No,
Guilty
I was
pleasure
gonna
about-
say before that when after Kevin said that, I was just gonna say that every time I upload an episode, I say this episode is clean. I feel like this is not going to be applicable for this episode. It's always explicit or clean. And I'm like, it's clean. It's clean.
आकाश भाई हमारे तीसरे
Moving on.
ट्रांजिशन करें.
Yes. So our next topic is something everyone wants to know. Everyone wants to be updated on. What is something that is obvious to people now, but was considered impossible not long ago? So this can be anything tech, can be any belief, anything. It doesn't need to be
No, I think
focused on.
soon, 10 years from now, people will say that people used to believe the Earth is round. Turns out it's flat.
That
Or
was
something
my
along those.
thing.
That was.
That was
Oh,
my
man.
word, Amrit. Thank you. So the
that is
people
yours.
believed Earth was flat. Then they used to think that sending punishment would be setting someone on sail and let them sail to the end of the earth.
It reminds me. It reminds me of that stupid
No,
documentary we saw on Netflix.
you are talking about people who I think right now, 10 years from now, people will be convinced that actually the Earth is flat once again. जो हम misinformation age में भी जीते हैं, I think it's very easy to convince lots of people of the opposite. But yeah,
Or
my
maybe it
actual
is
What is
answer
the
flat.
was
guy's name?
for me.
What is
For
the
me,
guy's name in the Netflix documentary? Mark something.
Kevin.
Ask such difficult questions, man. I'm trying
Mark-
to. I
Kyrie-
forgot that
Kyrie
documentary in the
Irving.
moment. Kyrie
Mark
Irving. Yeah.
Mark Zuckerberg, Kevin. He's a famous guy. Mark Zuckerberg. वो है. He's the one who
It was
believes in
Mark.
flat Earth.
It was Mark. It was Mark
Bhai.
something. But
The only thing I remember about the documentary is his mom somehow still loved him, which I guess is
Yeah.
a nice thing.
and his mom didn't believe him. I remember.
Yeah,
Which
yeah,
was
थोड़ा
good.
No, she says it in such a normal way. right? थोड़ी लपेटता है, but ठीक है. बच्चा है मेरा, मैं क्या करूं? But yeah, the thing I was going to say for this question, and I think in general, see, we all, अगर हम सबके पास individual answer भी नहीं है, we can all just chip into a few general points also instead of dragging it for too long. For me, it's video call very specifically. 20 years ago, when any relative was forget in a different country, different state में itself, you would have to wait I mean, at least मेरी family में होता था कि every 2 या 3 years only आप cousin से या किसी से मिलने जा रहे हो, गाँव वापस जा रहे हो या something like that. And it was just like कोई किसी की height बढ़ गई, किसी का ये हो गया, किसी का वो हो गया, and you wouldn't see photos or anything. Social media की वजह से obviously तुम daily देख सकते हो उनकी life के happenings, but video call very specifically where you can have a conversation with a distant relative. I don't think I never would have ever imagined that we could be in different countries. अभी जो हो रहा है ये हम 4 अलग screen में अलग अलग जगहों पे बैठ के बात कर रहे हैं. That in itself wouldn't ever seem possible. कि we would be able to collaborate on a project together this way, like 70 years removed from college. But yeah, for me, video call in its own is an invention which seemed completely impossible to describe. Like, हाँ, मैं एक box के सामने बैठूंगा, then I'll be able to see you when you're in a different country. I don't ever think. I think that's the most revolutionary thing.
I thought this question was more of a कोई ऐसे ideology ऐसा कुछ, इसलिए I was not able to come up with the answer. I didn't know कि you can
Can-
also talk about.
No, this
I
was a
was
very
I
easy
was
topic.
about to say someone like Trump becoming president.
No, that could be.
Yeah, that could be. For me, full disclosure, I would have said Obama becoming president was a bigger shock to me.
Oh, actually.
That's also true.
Because by demographics, you would never assume that an African American would be elected in a country in that way. But उसके बाद, I think Obama का election gave me the rationale that Trump is possible. I didn't think it would happen. I'm not ever going to say that, but still, after Obama, that the Americans were able to choose Obama, like obviously, कोई भी चीज कोई भी नई चीज होती है, obviously उसका एक
In a good way for Obama.
yeah, in a good thing, obviously,
Yeah.
in a very positive way
Yeah.
for the world itself also, to have a leader who represented hope, in such a positive way. पर उसका opposite effect भी हो सकता है immediately, and
Yeah.
it can drive the world once again into a very different era.
I think
Which I just-
it negated all the good vibes.
Yeah,
Well,
absolutely.
Controversial
Yeah, but-
subject.
Kind of.
Yeah, but that's the thing. Like, तुम्हें depends on who.
I mean,
but yeah,
it depends
as
on who
a-
you ask.
Who you
Exactly.
ask. Exactly. किसी के लिए अच्छा
There is no
होगा, किसी के लिए
absolute
गंदा होगा.
answer to these things. But I think अभी जो अमृत ने point बोला, it just happened yesterday, and I didn't realize कि even this can be a thing. So मुझे कुछ लिखना था, so मैंने pen ढूंढा, and when I was writing it, I just realized कि when was the last time I wrote something, like few sentences, नाम sign करना नहीं, but like few sentences, and I could not think of a day ऐसे कुछ कि अरे यार मैंने कुछ लिखा था proper उसमें, and that felt so weird कि मैं जब लिख रहा था writing, like, dude, eventually it's becoming, I know there are certain industries who still rely on it, but at least for me it was a very very weird कि यार बचपन से लिखते आ रहा हूँ, now I'm just feeling weird, I'm even for few sentences, forget about writing paragraphs and all those things, which we used to do in colleges, schools, and un sab tab tak. I think till 2014 we were writing almost every day. But I just realized that for past few months, maybe few years, I haven't written a couple of sentences. And अभी तो मैं English में कर रहा था, I cannot even imagine writing in my Hindi, which I was more comfortable with 10 years back. मैं हिंदी में लिख भी नहीं सकता properly. And I'm assuming it's becoming more and more common for everyone that it will eventually become absolute. I hope it doesn't, but seems like it's becoming absolute. Writing using pen and paper, writing on tablets and everything, ठीक है. But on pen and paper, it's becoming absolute. At least for me, I haven't. So that was one of my weird thing, which I just realized like that can be also.
Yeah, I had discovered it like a few months ago that मेरा writing तो obviously बिल्कुल नहीं था, but apart from signing my name, I don't think I would do any sort of writing whatsoever.
Yeah.
But I had realized that I had forgotten Hindi में reading and writing.
Writing है मुझे भूल रहा हूँ मैं.
My fluency was getting bad. Like I was, because I would laugh at other people when like my wife takes longer to read Hindi, and I'd be like, "अरे धीरे पढ़ रहा है, जल्दी पढ़ो, इतना आसान sentence है, मैं तो चौथे line पे पहुंच गया." And I had to read word by word. That it was like very shocking. मैंने कहा, यार, I grew up like that. Like, but it's like कितने time हो गया since like I've read a Hindi newspaper, especially since I moved to the south. I haven't seen a Hindi newspaper in so long, and कोई Hindi books नहीं मिलती, like predominantly English में सब, तो that was a huge shock.
And one more thing, since I mean there can be a long list, but I just realized even 2-3 days back I was uploading something, I think अपना पुराना episode, right? And I realized कि I think till literally 10-12 years back, CD used to be a dominant वो, जिसमें अपन सब कुछ store करते थे. I don't know if you remember, सारे games सब कुछ CD में आता था.
I remember floppy disks, man.
खाली CD लेके burn करनी होती थी.
Burn करनी होती थी.
वो कौन सा software था यार वो यार, एक वो demo D क्या, what was that thing that you used to like burn, उसका free version में हमेशा सब वो करते थे.
And literally in 10 years, like not even 10-12 years, it's absolute, it's gone, it's nowhere on this planet now.
Arnav, याद है वो जो you used to get those discs, the first time I discovered that there were CDs you could burn multiple times, and I was like, well,
rewritable.
Rewritable आती थी,
ऐसा तो like I think I was in 12th when I first discovered it.
And now it's so convenient कि you don't even realize कि you need a physical ऐसे कुछ. I mean, I know people still use some
physical media at all.
SSD and all those things, but
I can't find those anymore. I haven't used a SSD for I don't know, like a external hard drive for like 4-5 years now.
Same. External hard drive actually only now for these like episodes keeping storage. I have a.
Yeah, I think I have.
That's all.
I have my external hard drive always on hand because उसमें I've kept my anime collection. So that's the day electricity गई और Netflix भी उड़ गया.
Kevin, you want to say something?
उस सब में.
He's kept his collection on.
Kevin, next time you come here, I'll show. See, I can't bully Kevin if he comes here because he has the ironclad protection of my wife. But
yes,
I'll show you this collection that you'll be so embarrassed by. But yeah.
But even going further back, man, I haven't seen a floppy disk since I was in
floppy disk. I think
it was zoned out.
Crazy.
At least for me,
I just realized it.
I think I saw it being zoned out as I was in high school. I think use करते थे.
Same, but I'm like,
maybe
I haven't seen
probably
one.
Younger.
I haven't seen one in ages now.
Even
I wonder how kids
when was the last
react
time तुमने CD कब देखी थी? Do you remember? Actually,
that though I have a PS5, I have to put CDs in every day, so that's not.
Okay. No, I haven't.
Oh, that's a good point.
I couldn't think of one example right. I was thinking मैंने किसी के घर पे शायद देखी है, but I think I've seen people who have like DVD collections, but I realized that hasn't been in the recent past at all. I'm thinking
DVDs also
memories.
died.
Oh yeah, DVD also died.
I remember like my family was so proud of their DVD player, like and then buy DVDs and never watch them. I was like,
streaming ke usme, like for
but
me,
we are
actually,
that was mine.
We are going back though.
Mine was going to be streaming Netflix, especially in these COVID times, considering that you can stream all these new movies and good streaming, not like buffering all the time, in good quality. It's shocking at that. Like if you asked me in like even when early days of college, Netflix wasn't streaming yet, proper full out. You had still order the disc.
No, you had the option of ordering the disc. It was you could get the disc,
but if the streaming quality wasn't as good as
But
it
their
is
main
now.
their
And they didn't
main
have those
business
many
was
shows,
through
no?
Yeah,
their main business was through renting actually.
yeah.
Yeah, they
It
started
started
with
off
Voy. Yeah, they started with
started
Voy.
off like that. So seeing
भाई
that, how
अभी
beneficial that's become,
अभी 10
especially in
साल
these
के
times.
अंदर आकाश अभी कितने लोगों के पास 5-10 साल में केबल टीवी कनेक्शन होगा इंडिया में
Oh
इंडिया में
yeah.
इंडिया में केबल टीवी कनेक्शन कितने लोगों के पास होगा आई रियलाइज मेरे डैड कह रहे थे कौन से चैनल पे इंडिया का मैच देख रहे तू तो मैंने बोला पापा हॉटस्टार का कनेक्शन है तो and he was like what मैंने कहा
Hmm.
then I went down and just like I set up the entire मैं कहा ये बटन then he was like oh no चैनल की जरूरत नहीं है मैंने कहा चैनल की कोई जरूरत नहीं है
Yep.
Yeah,
There is
मेरे घर पे
there's no
कैंसिल करते हैं
there is no
टाटा स्काई
नहीं
का
नहीं
कनेक्शन.
माय पेरेंट्स हैव उनका है कि उनको उनके जो सीरियल्स और जो रीजनल लैंग्वेज वाले वो है विच आर आल्सो अवेलेबल ऑन स्ट्रीमिंग बट उसके लिए
Exactly.
उनको उनको बटन दबा के चेक करना आई डोंट नो आई थिंक माय पेरेंट्स आर 70 प्लस तो उनका अपना तरीका है करने का बट मेरे
It's what
क्रिकेट
you're
में
used
My
to.
dad-
It's what you're used to.
My dad is actually the major force for that. My mom doesn't want to change it, but like my dad really likes technology. Like he likes using it and learning it.
You know, अपने पेरेंट्स कहते थे
So-
कि अरे हमारे टाइम पे ये चीजें नहीं थे एंड नाउ आई एम रियलाइजिंग जब अपने बच्चे होने वाले हैं एंड देन उनको बहुत सी चीजें पता ही नहीं होगी लाइक दिस फ्लॉपी डिस्क सीडी
Completely.
लैंडलाइन
I think Amrit
Cable
mentioned
TV.
Amrit mentioned in a previous episode that we're lucky to grow up in both phases, that we saw some of the
both sides
technologies boom,
Yep.
and
we saw
I mean,
we saw the end of
ये
it.
ऐसा अपने
We
को
saw
लग
the-
रहा है
in a
But
way,
I'm
in
sure
a way,
we saw.
no, I'm sure another generation 5 to 10 years before us will be like, no, actually we saw it.
yeah
We saw the
Yeah, yeah.
pre-internet era. I think of us as the generation which saw life without the internet, life without social media,
Let me
and
correct
life
that.
post
Me,
also.
Amrit, I think our case is also different, right? Like at least, especially like India mein to definitely. I also I grew up in India as well. So India mein essentially that was not there. Obviously, for Western countries had been introduced with computer and all,
yeah
but India
yeah,
mein
definitely.
until mid 2000s it was
इंडिया
not
के एक्सपीरियंस के
introduced.
बोलो कि हमारे लिए फर्स्ट होता था हाईफाई और कुट वगैरह आया था एंड दोज वर लाइक थिंग्स पीपल ओकेजनली लॉग ऑन टू फेसबुक वाज द
Yeah.
प्लेस वेयर यू प्लेड गेम्स विद योर स्कूल फ्रेंड्स एंड stuff along those lines then it evolving into what it has become today where people talk about therapeutic compulsion हटाने के लिए लोग जाते हैं थेरेपी में जाते हैं to get out of social media addiction and fear of missing out has become a literal thing in people's life like these are all ailments and new things which did not exist
Even-
10 years ago Bhai,
10
वो
20
social
years
media-
later अपने
the
बच्चे बड़े
concept-
होने वाले हैं
that's
they might not
normal
have to
for
drive
them.
a car by the way
my
Maybe.
niece has that वो अब ना जो तूने driverless car बोला I would not imagine I can't imagine it now also honestly
even I can same
I was going to say
it's
it
very
would scare-
uneasy seeing a driverless car still. I feel
Bhai,
it would be-
I would be honestly can tell you it's post marriage that I'm even more scared about it like I'm for me that risk is like too like
I mean
just say-
जनरल वो सब पोस्ट मैरिज सभी के रिस्क बढ़ जाते हैं रिस्क टॉलरेंस
Yeah,
कम हो
तो-
जाता है
But I feel like
absolutely.
we've witnessed the death of the landline phone as well. Like,
so I was about to
imagine-
say कि there are so many things in India whole so India में लैंडलाइन है but if I think 10-15 years back 10 years back भी सबके घर में लैंडलाइन नहीं होते थे India jumped straight to mobile phones actually if you notice especially now गाँव में
Yeah.
लैंडलाइन का कनेक्शन नहीं देते you buy a mobile phone so there are so many things which actually generation jumps in terms of tech
especially जब वो तुम्हें याद है नोकिया के वो छोटे वाले फोन आने लग गए थे वो क्या कहते हैं and sims became very easy to get and
सिम बहुत चेंज हो गए थे
मोबाइल रिचार्ज वाली all ये क्या कहते हैं अर्नव जो रिलायंस में जो पहले से सिम डाल के आता था that was GSM right
CDM है
पहले
right?
से
और GSM कौन सा होता है वो?
GSM is the old SIM cards that we used to have.
या तो
Okay.
GSM जो
So
पुराने वाले
GSM.
होते थे ना GSM वाले से एंड देन द CDM में थिंक गेम जिसमें तुम चेंज कर सकते हो एक्सचेंज कर सकते हो अलग अलग उसका डाल सकते हो एंड न्यूअर कंपनीज केम तो या एज अर्नव वेरी करेक्टली सेड रूरल एरियाज में इट वाज अ डायरेक्ट जंप फ्रॉम नथिंग टू सडनली एवरीवन हैज एट लीस्ट
Yeah.
दैट छोटा वाला
Yeah.
फोन
मोबाइल
So I
Saat mein.
witnessed that though. But like everyone in Abu Dhabi had a landline. Like all these aunties used to call
I
each
was
other. All
भाई
these.
मेरे घर में it was like you knew
Yeah.
your friend's number by वो I
Yeah,
to
yeah.
this day like I have
You
सबका
used to have an
पहले-
address book, contact book, and open
Yeah.
it up and see. I used to have that. My parents used to
And
have
my
that.
parents still have that. The contact. book.
Yeah, I don't have our old phone book. I can't imagine a phone book now.
Yeah, exactly. Na? Like, so you used to get those
No,
big
we
yellow
have
books,
one.
I remember, as phone books
वो
in
येलो
Abu
पेजेस जो
Dhabi.
आते थे इन जनरल वाले,
Yellow pages.
वो तो अभी भी
Yeah,
आते होंगे शायद,
yellow
पता
भाई,
नहीं, बट
can you imagine a
Wait, yellow
technology
pages are still
a
there.
technology like I think 2011 में हमारे कॉलेज फर्स्ट ईयर से मैं पहले बार वापस आया था. So Truecaller had become famous. So I remember an incident जब हमारे मेरे स्कूल का एक दोस्त was talking about उसको किसी का मिस्ड कॉल आया गलती से. Someone not cranked or pranked him और गलती से बुलाया. Someone from UP called someone in Delhi. तो ही एंड यू ट्रू कॉलर वाज न्यू. तो ट्रू कॉलर में एज यू नो क्या क्या लिखा होता है, नेम, लोकेशन एंड कुछ लोग तुम्हें सेव कैसे कर रखा है तुम्हारा नाम किसी और के उसमें. तो दैट टाइम इट वाज न्यू. सो दिस गाय, तो जिसने जब इसको प्रैंक कॉल किया तो दिस गाय लाइक अब्यूज्ड हिम और सेड समथिंग, देन ही कट हिज फोन. तो इसने वापस बुलाया तो ही हैड लुक्ड अप हिज नेम ऑन ट्रू कॉलर एंड ही आई रिमेंबर हिम शेयरिंग द एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ हाउ द गाय वाज शेल शॉक्ड कि हाउ डू यू नो माय नेम, माय लोकेशन एंड माय प्रोफेशन. बिकॉज क्योंकि द गाय वाज क्या कहते हैं, लॉयर टू बी फ्रॉम लखनऊ. एंड दिस गाय टोल्ड हिम आप लखनऊ में बैठे हो, आपका नाम ये है और आपका ये है, मैं और इन्फॉर्मेशन दूं. और उसकी फटके चाप. एंड 10 साल बाद एवरीवन विल बी लाइक हाँ आई नो आपने ट्रू कॉलर में देखा. ट्रू कॉलर टेल्स यू if somebody looks up your name and premium पैसे दो तो they'll tell you who searched for your name. So like that is the reason why that I didn't think 10 years ago a virtual phone book that everyone carries around with them would exist.
इट्स क्रेजी है. I mean, क्या
I guess our memory
Guys,
just gone bad
I
because we no
realized
longer
about the
remember
true-
phone numbers.
I
I
just
don't think our
realized about
memory
the
has gone bad, Akash. I think it's rusty
No, our
now. We don't
reliance
use
on our
it.
memory. We don't
Yeah,
use it as much.
we rely on everything for
यार
technology.
मैप्स, I think
I've
Google
been-
Maps is one of the
The worst.
biggest
Greatest.
yeah
I think
Criminals.
greatest.
handicaps it has made us.
I can't imagine driving without Google Maps.
I
now.
cannot imagine right now. I cannot
at
imagine.
all.
मैं इतना
Asking
reliant हूँ उस
directions.
चीज पे, right? It's
Yep.
crazy, which is bad also, but which is good
Yep.
at the same
अर्नब
time.
ऑफिस हमारे 2 दिन पहले ऑफिस के बाद एक बंदे ने मुझे रूट बताया. दिस इज द सेम रोड दैट आई टेक लाइक 200 to 500 times in the last 3 to 4 years every single day. केविन, जिस रूट से मैं तुझे लेके आया था, तो वहां से एक कट है which he has told me very exactly. जैसे हम घर से निकले ना 100 मीटर के अंदर, मैंने कहा बट स्टिल आई शुड स्टिल सर्च इट ऑन जीपीएस एंड कीप इट ऑन जस्ट इन केस. इवन दो आई नो दिस इन माय हेड कि मैं इतनी बार जा चुका हूँ, बट इट्स लाइक आदत हो गई कि इट्स जस्ट राइट नेक्स्ट टू मी, इट हैज टू बी ऑन until the moment like हम वहाँ पहुंचे. like
Yeah.
वो मिस्ट्री चला गया. I remember young my dad would just go and लोगों से पूछ के हाँ जी ये जगह कहाँ है, कोई बोलेगा इस तरफ, कोई बोलेगा उस तरफ, and you just wander around and some, but they got things done. Like my dad always
Yep.
says कि तुम जितना मजाक उड़ाते हो, I got things done. Like मैं तो हर जगह पहुंच जाता था.
और भाई बहुत
तुम-
बार तो हमने ये हरामपंती की होगी, किसी को गलत एड्रेस बता दिया, वो रोड पे पूछते थे, हम खड़े हैं
भाई।
एक्टिवा पे साइड में, एंड वी सेंड देम समवेयर एल्स वहां पे. इट हैज हैपेंड सो मेनी टाइम्स.
See, when in my teenage years, I had to be very fair. कि कोई भी पूछेगा, हाँ अंकल सीधे जाइए बस, सीधे, हाँ सीधे. After a while, once it happened, like when it happened to me, I was like, ठीक है, नहीं अंकल नहीं पता. Just say कि, just बोल दो नहीं पता. Like I think that's the best answer. नहीं
Yeah,
पता.
when it happens
I
to
did
you,
that.
then you realize.
I did that to a freshman at Purdue. He was standing in front of Brown and he was asking, "Where is Brown?" I was like, "Go straight."
Oh, I thought you
Bechara.
were I thought
He
you were
was a
referring to
freshman.
yourself.
I was like
Kevin
a
was
junior.
ragging. Kevin was ragging. This was his ragging. The question.
Kevin really wanted to rag Julius.
But in
Right.
अभी तो शुरुआत है. I feel like in past 10-15 years में इतना ज्यादा innovation हुआ है. Imagine what next 20 years can do.
Yeah.
Like अपनी life ही इतनी change होने वाली है अगले 10-15 साल में, if we are alive.
Yeah, let's not think about aging
Yeah.
yet. Akash,
Let's
can we
move on to
transition?
the next topic. So we're going to go back on our favorite topic to talk about sports. So which is the
Yeah.
most dominant sports team nobody talks about? So do you guys have anything that comes to mind for you?
Yeah.
guys?
Arnav
Go
start
on,
कर रहा है.
So you
Give
might
me any
not
sport.
agree. Yeah, obviously. So I actually felt जब इंडिया की जो क्रिकेट टीम थी 2000s की, right? Unfortunately उन्होंने ज्यादा कुछ जीता नहीं. I mean, yeah, they reached World Cup final, Champions Trophy जीती, but no one considers them to be as like one of the most dominant eras of war, right? Because if you imagine उस time जो इंडिया का जो बैटिंग लाइनअप था, सचिन, गांगुली, द्रविड, लक्ष्मण, सहवाग, he also joined. Bowling attack was good. So I think that was then Yuvraj and Mohammad Kaif and all these folks. So I think that was a crazy team which obviously did some who achieved some
I think reaching the World Cup final is not a small thing.
yeah, for India it's not a small thing, but I think no one
Yeah, but
considers
किसी
them
के
as
लिए
like
Yeah.
जैसे ऑस्ट्रेलिया को obviously you know कि वेस्ट इंडीज का एक era था, ऑस्ट्रेलिया का एक era, but I don't think इंडिया का कि भाई starting 2000s or maybe starting 1996 and when Ganguly, Dravid, Sachin they all started to pick up. I think for past 20 years India has been quite dominant, I felt, in
Yeah, I
cricket.
think धोनी के era में, especially in my opinion,
Yeah, it changed everything. 2010 के बाद तो
we
obviously
won. We started winning, and you can say, okay, oh yeah, it was led to it by Dada's team, and definitely it makes sense. But I thought the question was, a dominant team that nobody talks about.
but I think I have realized that no one talks. I remember when India World Cup जीती, right, 2011
What are you
था.
saying? Every time, every like 2 minutes, I hear
Yep,
Amrit
sir.
crying about this 2000 team all the time. Abey,
2011
not
की-
good, okay?
नहीं, I remember Kapil Dev, he was crying. I think just जीते थे, and आज तक के चैनल पे उनका इंटरव्यू आता, तो Kapil Dev, since he was the only Indian captain who got the World Cup, right? So उनका इंटरव्यू लिया, and he started crying. He started saying कि yeah, अभी अपन जीते and everything, but huge amount of credit goes to the 2000s की team, especially Ganguly and all those folks who brought that culture of winning outside India and all those
Yeah,
things.
yeah.
And वो बात में हमेशा रह गई है कि not lot of people talk about not necessarily Ganguly as a captain, but like in general that whole team, it was crazy good, and उसमें से ही आधे लोगों actually helped India win the next World Cup if you think about it. When
It's hard to
Dhoni,
think though, yeah. That so many
Dhoni started
legends in that team
yeah,
and couldn't win a World Cup, but obviously there was another team that was just
exactly, it was
God
overshadowed by
mode.
Australia completely. Like
Yeah.
Australia got some
I
3 or
get
4
your point.
back-to-back World Cups.
Yeah.
So वो Ricky Ponting और Steve Waugh की टीम वो हारते ही नहीं थे कभी.
Yeah, that's the thing. No? That invincible aura around them was.
And उस time, I mean, South Africa was good. England is doubtful, but yeah, South Africa was good
Not,
good उस
England
time.
wasn't
बहुत
good at
सारे.
that time. Were not great at that time. They were
But
decent.
उनकी टीम भी
not-
अच्छी थी, yeah. So
They were decent. Not
India had a good competition, and India still managed to win the
Yeah.
Champions Trophy जीते. I think World Cup final पहुंचे, but then no, it's not a India की वो best team consider नहीं करते. Obviously because धोनी आ गया, कोहली आ गया, and then things have changed
Yeah.
now. But so that was my answer.
And it's interesting कि इसने era के बारे में बात किया, but वो because for me it is obviously again this is going to be India centric मेरे दिमाग में it is. And when I thought of a team, because अभी हमने बात किया कि like Australia 96 was Sri Lanka, 99 was Australia beats Pakistan in the final, 2003 they defeat us in the final, 2007 में again I think
New
किसको हराया
Zealand
तुमने?
New Zealand
क्या
को
किसी को
हराया?
हराया?
या
और
किसी को हराया?
2011 में हम जीते. तो
Hmm.
there was an Indian team जो bid for around 28 साल में they played 24 matches, they won all 24 and they scored 178 goals and only conceded 7, and that was the Indian hockey team.
Oh,
Can you
Dhanraj
imagine?
Pillai.
No, भाई धनराज पिल्ले में ध्यानचंद की जो टीम थी.
Oh, okay.
धनराज पिल्ले was
yeah, Arnav, what is
Yeah,
wrong
वो
with
तो
you,
अभी
Arnav?
क्या हो गया, right?
Oh my God, Arnav. Okay,
ये
carry
वो-
on. Ab.
ये वो वाला मोमेंट हो गया. कौन सा हुआ था? आलिया भट्ट ने जब क्या बोला था?
पृथ्वीराज चौहान.
पृथ्वीराज
But,
चौहान.
yeah. तो but वही imagine this 1928 से 1956 में के बीच में 6 consecutive, like हम गोल्ड मेडल 6 बार जीते consecutively और हमने 178-7 के रेशियो में किया. So it means we 171 का गोल डिफरेंस. We didn't lose a single game. An Indian team. Can you imagine such dominance which is unparalleled? Like हम बात कुछ लोग बोलते हैं golden era of hockey, and I personally have never been the greatest hockey fan. मैंने कभी उस तरीके से देखा ही नहीं है वो स्पोर्ट. Like I would, India जीत रही है and I knew a few players name here and there, but for me to have a team which did so well, हमारा sports day and everything is named after Dhyanchand also. Like they were such a legendary player, but to imagine that we managed to do this at the Olympic level at that time, you know, in those days we were under colonial rule as well. We have to be very careful of remembering कि हमारे players के facilities and everything क्या हुआ करती होंगी उस time में, and to still be consecutive champions in such a हम जब dominate word use करते हैं, it's very light. Like sports में like Barcelona has an era, club teams have an era, like you know, and अभी अर्नव ने बोला कि देखो वो कभी हारते नहीं थे. It's just still 3 times, 99, 2003, 2007. These people for 28 साल इन्होंने सिर्फ 7 गोल कंसीड करे. Like I don't think that's like human to like even suggest
And no
कि,
one
like,
talks
कैसे
about
तुम
it. I
yeah.
think so.
At
That's
all. That's why
yeah.
for me
What
that
was
was
the
the thing.
reason?
Like
I was
for,
gonna ask. Is it just because
no, because
hockey is
Time.
as a sport?
time has passed. Time has passed.
Time has passed.
Hockey is not our, even though hockey is a national sport,
Is
it's not our national
but
craze.
it's not talked about much.
I think
No,
वही
at
हुआ कि
all.
that era was so dominant. उसके बाद
Mhm.
it took a dip, which was inevitable,
Because
right? It was supposed to take a
Akash,
dip.
when I put this question, I very specifically in my mind had them only because I was like, हम बात करें तो we should talk about कि यार हमारे पास ऐसी टीम थी जिन्होंने इतना किया in and they defined the word dominance. 178 to 7 goal difference. Nobody can say कि like भाई ये क्या है? Like you yes they were that strong. And for 28 साल के लिए उसके बाद I think we just won two more years 64 and 80 में and then obviously अभी hockey में we are no longer that big a superpower. And but we had a team like जब हम eras जैसे जो ब्राजील का जो era मानते हैं middle में like I don't think any team can boast of हाँ माइकल फेल्प्स का एरा बोलते हैं इट्स डिस्कस्ड अ लॉट लाइक कितने नंबर ऑफ गोल्स मारे उसने मल्टीपल ओलंपिक्स में सो आई थिंक वी शुड आल्सो देन डिस्कस अ टीम व्हिच स्टीम रोल्ड एवरीवन फॉर
आई
2
थिंक वो जैसे
years
यूएस में जो क्लब टीम है जो बॉस्टन सेल्टिक्स की जो उस टाइम जीतते आ रही थी हर साल वो चैंपियन जीतते थे सो नो वन टॉक्स अबाउट देम जस्ट नो वन कंसीडर्स देम टू बी द ग्रेटेस्ट टीम
yeah but
एवर
एक और चीज है ना उनकी level of competition is something that's always spoken about
Yeah.
this is a team that was playing under colonial era and then post independence also won let us be very clear
आई वाज क्यूरियस मुझे मुझे हॉकी का ज्यादा इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं है आई एम क्यूरियस टू नो कि उस टाइम क्या था हॉकी का स्टेट इन टर्म्स ऑफ इंटरनेशनल वो
यार
लाइक हाउ मेनी
okay,
टीम्स वर
now
देयर
now if you go deeper into the stats के 28 के वर्ल्ड कप ओलंपिक्स में कितने लोग थे कितनी टीम्स थी were there fewer amount of teams or was hockey a national level so first of all it was included in the Olympics field hockey was there that itself shows कि कुछ तो बाहर का इंटरेस्ट होगा
ओह या फॉर
second
श्योर
for second very specifically I believe for colonial India to perform this way that in itself
Absolutely.
makes it work like
A huge
28 32
achievement.
was it's a huge thing they had and two
ओह
world
यार
wars हुए थे
आई थिंक
world war आते
रिगार्डलेस
थे
ऑफ
उसमें
वो एरा क्या था इट अभी भी
because
कोई भी करता है इट्स अ क्रेजी
Arnav,
अचीवमेंट
जब बॉस्टन सेल्टिक्स के बारे में व्हाट इज द नंबर वन थिंग लाइक एनी बास्केटबॉल कैजुअल से पूछो तो उनको नहीं पता होगा बट वो एनी सीरियस पर्सन विल टेल यू you can say Bill Russell played in a time where the competition may not have been the greatest sure you can say that argument
आई मीन
but
या आई एम नॉट अ
he
फैन ऑफ
played
दैट आर्गुमेंट
he played in a time where there were times where he could not even be in the same hotel room as his teammates. He was in the same hotel as his teammates. Like there was he played through segregation and crowds where he had to serve. तो you cannot ignore the social angle because आपको बोलना है कि yes मेरा player मैंने जिस player को देखा वही अच्छा है. Other
उस टाइम
people before
फैसिलिटीज
us
उतनी
have
नहीं
done
थी
great things.
मेडिकल इतना एडवांस नहीं था उतना
मेडिकल
बहुत
नहीं
सारी चीजें
स्किल
थी यार
नहीं अब इनकी ट्रेनिंग जो होती है जो उनको करवाई जाती है वो एक्सेस नहीं करता था इनकी सैलरीज उतनी बड़ी नहीं होती थी
Correct.
लीग वाज डिवाइडेड इन टू पार्ट्स the merger happens much later
या
70s में हुआ है merger so I think पुरानी teams had to play through their own situations I think that's why
Plus,
comparison
they
in
had
sports
other issues.
get a
They
bit
had
Exactly.
other social issues that they had to
No,
fight.
that's my point. Imagine a Bill Russell, yeah, being the only African American player in a team full of white people in Boston, right then to play
And
through
that
all of
time.
Well,
that.
he would.
And in
Well,
that
he
time,
would be able to dunk a lot more than the
yeah,
others.
and every move he made would be put down to his physicality. आप physically ज्यादा वो हो, आपका skill तो है नहीं, आपका आप इतना consecutive कर रहे हो वो. Jerry West
Doesn't matter.
becomes
Doesn't matter.
Jerry
You
West
were
is the
great.
logo and not Bill Russell in some way, shape, and form. Like if you can think the different ways in which you know what that man must have gone through. What I've
Doing
seen. That's
something
why I'm a fan.
consistently itself is a big thing and doing winning consistently is much bigger than that regardless आप किस era में थे क्या चीज
Yeah.
सबके अपने अपने issues होने वाले हैं
And that is why I think that Indian team winning, I think I am very proud of them. I'm very proud that Dhyan Chand is a person who's used as a sporting model, thankfully through the awards and everything and sports.
at
Day,
least in the awards
around that.
मैं was about to say कि
Correct.
सिर्फ awards के नाम पे अभी भी
अभी our sports day is I think I believe his birthday. Dhyan Chand ji का birthday is celebrated as sports day यहाँ पे. If I'm not wrong, I hope I'm not wrong. But yeah, that according to me is a dominant sports team that can be used like because I say you can use these things to fan the flames for the remaining. Oh, like Milka Singh is always used in athletics. Go fourth and but he broke the world record and everything also. Same way, I think to know that 28 साल के लिए we were so strong, I think that plays a huge role.
I hope कि जो young hockey fans या young hockey players हैं
I'm sure they're
हाँ,
aware. but
उनको
I
तो
think-
पता ही होगा, but like
I think fans should be more aware कि हमारे पास भाई
maybe
ऐसी
fans
team
should be
थी.
more aware. Yeah, keep the, and
That's why
ये
I
अपना
wanted to mention it. Yeah, we did it.
national
It's not
sport
like
and it's hard to believe कि no one talks about hockey anymore. But I think वो हर चीज का वैसा ही टाइम आता है.
And you know,
They-
Arnav, 1948 के Olympic final में first time we played Britain for the first time and we beat them 4-0.
Oh, our host should
40
कहाँ गया अपना
48
host?
He has literally left the scene.
He literally left. हम audience को बेचारा को
But
छोड़ के
I think another Indian athlete that I really like in more recent times is Sushil Kumar.
Wait, you mean the wrestling wala Sushil Kumar?
yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
That very one.
How?
Yeah, obviously he has his own achievement to be
He is very. I mean, and if you look at the backgrounds that he has come from and like the type of training that he is like, they are not trained in like proper facilities and all that. They're trained the really traditional Indian way and like you
कुश्ती
know,
तो अभी भी वैसे ही
कुश्ती
like इंडिया जो
कुश्ती में
अखाड़े होते हैं
ट्रेनिंग
जो
किया
yeah
अखाड़े में ट्रेन करके and it has its positives but at the same time it has a lot of huge negatives as well, right? But he still managed to reach like such great heights because even after that. And like you should see the injury recovery also that he made, which is also like the guy
Bhai,
has a lot of
winning
focus
a
in it.
bronze and a silver is a huge thing.
Especially
in a
especially
country
when
like
you are
India,
not
right?
Any Indian
Especially when
athlete,
you're-
I always, short of the sports where they have greater. Okay, if our cricket team goes and wins, I'll be happy, but it won't have the same feeling as our wrestlers, जो literally without any formal training push.
Yep.
Like यार तुम अमेरिका के
And they're
camps देखो
competing-
यार, ये wrestling camps. It looks like
Yeah.
5-star hotel.
and
Like,
not to
मजे
mention
में-
they are being trained since the age of like 12 and stuff
They are
with the
handpicked.
most modern facilities and like you know these guys they don't get that opportunity. Yes, there are positives in that, definitely.
Has he
but
retired by the way?
I think he has, right? I don't think he
I
takes
think
part.
he has. He's 37 now. Pretty sure he has.
मुझे पता नहीं wrestling में age क्या, like what's the peak?
I mean,
Yeah, but I'm
it won't be
assuming
thir-
younger.
yeah.
I'm assuming younger people would be taking over. अभी बजरंग पुनिया सब हैं तो I guess. But
And
India
just
में कोई
what
भी
the
athletes
commitment
apart from
be-
cricket. Yeah.
When he won the silver, when he
2012
won the
में.
silver 12 में, like the first thing he did was like he opened the flag and he just held it like this in front of the camera, which is amazing of his photo that he took. So yeah, that's
There was another
but-
boxer. He वो जीता है उसके बाद ही पता नहीं वो विजेंद्र कुमार what was his name?
Vijender Singh.
Vijender
Like,
Singh.
अभी he lost. He
he
lost
tried
his
to come
first
back,
professional
so,
match
yeah.
recently. First
Ish.
time he had a good run.
Mm.
He lost his first one like very.
But I think
recently.
वो run के बाद something happened. I don't know. He went into some I think
No, he went
TV
into-
shows and
yeah, वो
all
भी
those
वो
things.
road
Yeah,
में
he-
देखा था
he
मैंने
went-
उन्हें. He was like
Yeah,
a
he
judge or
yeah.
something.
He came into reality TV.
Yeah,
think-
obviously they want to make उनको भाई.
they want to make money. Yeah, justified.
Money,
I'm not
उनको-
saying कि वो
Yeah.
नहीं किया. उसने जीतने के बाद किया है
Yeah,
सबसे, which
for
is
sure.
completely fair. End of the day, they are not able to earn nowhere close to cricket or any other sport, right? So
actually, as a team, I was going
So,
to.
The team I
As
was
a team, I was going to say
Kevin, go.
2013 to 2016, especially, I was going to say Atletico Madrid as being a very underrated team because they managed to win the league in 2014 and they lost two Champions League finals in 3 years. But they managed to reach Champions League final by beating teams like PSG, Barcelona, what do you call
इससे हारे वो
Bayern
finals
Munich.
में? Oh wait.
They lost both the finals to Real Madrid. They're bitter rivals.
Real
Bitter
Madrid.
rivals.
Yeah.
Sad.
Yep.
Yeah.
I
But
don't
this is a
remember
team
any
that
of
did
them.
not spend one
Can
like
can
barely
can you
anything they spent.
tell us who their best players were?
It was Koke who came from the
Oh.
academy. Saul again academy.
Seems like a
Jose
very very
Jimenez.
underrated team. Like नाम ही नहीं सुना इन सबका ऐसा कोई.
It's their coaching style. They play
I
very
remember.
defensive.
Arnav, the only reason I
very
know their
play
name
tactical.
is because I think मैं FIFA में खेल चुका हूँ उनके साथ.
I still remember in order to win the league, they did this. they beat Real Madrid, and their coach like held his hands towards the groin and said, "We got the biggest balls in the league." That's what he
He
got
got
fined
fined.
for it. So, yeah, like
Yeah, I remember
that
that.
coach itself is like a maniac and like
I can imagine Kevin doing
spirit.
something similar.
Yeah. I can see Kevin
Yeah,
like
yeah,
relating to
definitely.
that gesture
My
too.
thing,
But yeah, Akash.
But
I was going to say Barca, but then it said dominant. So I was
no,
like,
but did they
okay,
manage to win
perfect.
eventually? या कभी जीते नहीं
No.
वो Champions League?
No, they didn't.
I mean, they
No,
I mean, not
Barca managed to win. Oh,
no, Atletico
Okay,
Madrid
sorry.
they haven't won a Champions League. They
Oh,
they actually
man.
are the team that have lost the most
Nope.
finals in history of Champions League. 4.
it's so sad because they've also played well in the finals. They've lost by 1 goal. I remember Ramos ka
Yeah,
header.
That's a good
extra time
example of
pressure.
a dominant
Last
team
couple-
who no one talks about, right?
Uh,
That's a great example of it.
It's just that they
Yeah.
lack that X factor, like a Ronaldo or like a Thomas Muller or like something like that X factor that will
Kevin,
get
it's
you
okay.
that
You can
X-
say Messi. Messi is more than an X factor.
yeah.
Just
Yeah, you
because
mentioned Ronaldo.
Just because Akash will make fun of you, you should not say Messi. Whatever Akash says, even he knows that he's the best ever. So don't worry.
No, I was trying to match the style of football, right? Like Atletico Madrid and like
I heard कि
Like
दोनों मेसी रोनाल्डो दोनों बाहर हैं इस बार चैंपियंस लीग से या किसी मेन इवेंट
yeah,
से
they
for the
both
first
are out.
time.
Oh, even
Yeah.
even the Ajax team of 2018, man, semi-final of
Which
Champions League is amazing.
Kevin, but
Ajax.
that's like Kevin, but that's like 1 year flashes. No, we're talking about like a sustained period.
Yeah,
I
it has to be
wouldn't say-
a over the period of time. इसलिए मैंने पूछा कि
Yeah.
एथलेटिको
Yeah.
वो
And it's-
फाइनल में अगर
Yeah.
2-3 बार आए
Teams
then
are-
makes sense.
I
Yeah.
think Atletico Madrid was 3 years and they managed to win the league and the Copa del Rey as well.
No,
from
they're definitely a
Barca,
dominant team
Real
that will never be talked about because sustained वो नहीं था. But yeah.
और it makes sense because soccer में even 3-year period is a pretty like 3 साल चैंपियंस लीग में अच्छा खेलना is a
नहीं, and
big deal.
I
right?
think and it's the other reason that he said also that they are financially the third. They're beyond. They don't have the finance to the top two at all.
right.
So for them to do that is
they-
extremely good.
Yep.
बारसा को हिलाया PSG.
So staying in the world of football, I guess Leicester. is
Bhai,
another one.
they get talked
That's
about a
hardly-
lot in every video everywhere. They get talked about a lot.
I've not, yeah, but I feel like they're not given that
They don't get the credit
kind of
as much
appreciation
as
as much because straight after that they failed.
Bhai,
so
this
they
year
went
also
back to
last
normal.
year they were fifth,
But they-
and
this
this
year
year
they're
they're
playing-
third and second.
No.
I don't know. Whatever.
But the way that the fact that they won the league out of all the teams and they've never had much money as well. The fact that they won the league is a big thing compared to the top 4 clubs that are normally there in the Premier League. Definitely
think
not
you-
much money.
yeah.
It is. Yeah, it was talked about, but I just feel that
Atl-
appreciation for a club that comes out of
and
nowhere.
not to mention they
win the
keep
Full
losing
Premier League.
players and they still manage to like stack.
no.
And they still
I do
manage to
give them
get
little
there.
bit
They
of
should be
credit.
they should be
Overachieve.
given all they my thing
Overachieve.
is they are definitely a great thing in sports. My point is they are the place I'll disagree with. I think they're talked about a lot. Every year they're talked about. Like Jamie Vardy and everyone is like one way or the other that memory is not going away.
That
We're
story
talking about
is one.
teams. That's a very
Jamie
unique
Vardy's story is
That's
like
like a
a
very
is
Cinderella
like
story
a
type
amazing
thing.
story. A
Yeah.
guy was playing in the lowest league
Yeah.
in England. In a
Akash, I
Sunday
will
league.
accept your
Yeah.
answer क्योंकि मुझे इस टीम के बारे में नाम भी नहीं सुना. So I guess no one
No,
talks about them.
Arnav, this guy was
Right,
getting
yeah.
paid £10 a week in 2011
For what? Playing.
to play football. Yes.
ये क्लब उसको सिर्फ
And
10
today-
pounds दे रहा था.
And in 2016
He rose
and in
to the rank.
2016 he became the top scorer. In 2015 he became the top scorer
First
of the
of all,
biggest league in the
why
world.
the hell salary सिर्फ 10 pounds है एक soccer club की?
He was playing a Sunday league. मतलब जो time pass के लिए
Sunday league where people make a lot of jokes.
they
about
play on the
Sunday.
weekend as
in
fun
UK.
in like small parks.
Oh, so it was not some EPL की टीम ऐसा कुछ नहीं थी ये.
नहीं.
No.
Oh, okay.
EPL में-
Then it's fine. I thought it was part of
अबे
some EPL club.
इंग्लिश
No.
का
No.
लोएस्ट डिवीजन
No.
में खेलता था वो.
Lowest, huh?
So we had 10 pounds seems like nothing. Like, it's
Yeah, lowest means
I
Sunday
mean, he
leagues
had another
basically,
job.
man.
He had another job.
It was a
yeah,
part-time
sure.
thing.
He better have another job.
And I'm surprised he stuck with Leicester. I'm sure clubs were wanting him after that season, and then he just stuck with Leicester. Loyalty, maybe.
And
Yeah.
also he got a really good contract,
But
and is he captain now? Is captain right
Yeah,
now, right?
he gets the god status there
Yeah,
also.
I
Where
think
if
so.
he goes anywhere else, he's not going to get that
So
god
Oh,
status.
उसकी journey
definitely.
काफी अच्छी है. That's what you're saying.
Oh, very good.
His journey is very good.
Nice.
And he
But
But then after the next season, they fired their head coach
and
Ranieri.
Ranieri
No?
got fired. But yeah,
I was
but
like,
think about the fact
but
that like
okay.
even though all the players have shuffled, etc., he still manages to score that 15-20 goals a season. It's amazing.
yeah. It also helps when you're the only main striker they have. But
He's a late bloomer.
Yeah, it's also
Definition of a late bloomer.
yes, Kevin, तू भी वही करेगा.
Kevin, we have
I'm trying to think. NBA में a dominant team that hardly was talked about in NBA.
You know,
That's
I
what I
don't
was
have a
trying to think
dominant
of.
team that wasn't talked about, but I have a team which I wish if none of them were injured would be very interesting. Like there's the Blazers team if Greg Oden,
Brandon
Lamarcus
Roy.
Aldridge, Brandon Roy, Nicholas Batum, and sorry, and this guy, what's his name?
कौन से
Damian
साल
Lillard.
में थे ये?
ये पांच. This was हमारे college के
This is
8
when
to 12,
Mavericks.
2008 to 12 के बीच में there's this period when he gets drafted first
Yeah.
overall. If
Oh,
Oden,
Greg Oden, I
Lamarcus
remember.
Aldridge,
Yeah.
Greg Oden, Lamarcus Aldridge up
I saw a
front.
video,
Imagine
man.
then Oden and
I saw-
Lamarcus Aldridge up front. Your wings are either Brandon Roy and Nicholas Batum उस time पे, or even Wesley Matthews comes and Damian Lillard. I think that team would be so interesting क्योंकि उन सबका attitude.
The
My God,
Blaze-
I'd love that team.
The Blazers always had bad luck in their picks, man. All
Greg
of
Oden. Brandon
It's so
Roy.
sad.
By
Damian Lillard
Kobe
broke
के interview
that, but-
saying that he thought Brandon Roy was next or something. Like he was like so उसको इतना तगड़ा player था, but injuries ruined him. Nicholas Batum was supposed to be one of the best wing defenders in the NBA.
But
Greg Oden was supposed to be in next
Lakers ने बीच
big
में
center that
they
was going to
got obviously Kobe और Gasol तो थे and Fisher and वो सब. Then they got Dwight Howard, Steve Nash. I guess Ron Artest was there and all those
Yeah, but
folks
वो-
were there. And that got screwed badly. But
No, but they were
Oh, I
they were
really
proven.
like
They
Ron
were
Artest.
they were like proven players brought together. You know? I'm talking about like
Yeah.
ground up से इनकी journey. Like I really love that Memphis team. Zach Randolph, Marc Gasol, Rudy Gay, Mike Conley, and who was the shooting guard? Tony Allen.
Tony Allen.
बहुत मस्त लग. I love that
I would
team.
say everyone talks about it though, the Bulls team. Derrick
Oh, I
Rose,
thought you were
everyone
going to say
talks about
Michael
it.
Jordan.
What could have been?
No, but I
No,
think
what
Bulls-
could have been
I think basketball
for
में
that
एक difference है when we talk about some dominant team. It has to be over a long period of era because basketball it's not hard to win.
Yeah.
I mean, it's still hard to win a championship, but like it's not like something like Champions League or like Olympics or World Cup, right? Every year you have a pretty good chance of making it to finals at least. A good
Yeah, and it's a
teams.
league, na Akash. It's a league, so it's a very
इसलिए
different thing.
Mm,
I
Olympics
don't.
का जो my thing about the Indian thing was like 28 years through a world war and being in imperial rule, our people won it consecutively. That was my point. Like अभी जो जैसे Kevin ने example बोला 2 consecutive Champions League finals. Like 3 साल में 2 Champions League finals when you are the third richest club there in that entire country and no new recruits.
And there's a big gap. There's a big
like
gap
it's-
between the
There's a
first two
severe
and the
gap. So
third.
like those make sense. Like the Leicester example of them being probably having the least amount of money and toppling all these big clubs, amazing, and especially the fact that they continue.
Arnav, they
In the
so
league,
the
though,
reason
each
why
of these clubs divide money and they all continue that way. You know.
the reason why Madrid, I mean Atletico Madrid and Real Madrid hate each other is they call one the fisherman's club and one the rich people club. So that is why they
Yeah.
hate
On
each
that,
other.
Akash, on that beautiful note, can we go play PUBG?
Yes, I was gonna end it there on that very good note. Thank you guys for listening to this episode of the Vele podcast. As usual, we are available on Google Podcasts, Apple Podcasts,
बस
and
सुन लो।
Spotify.
And to
We are
anyone
also
who
available-
keeps thinking हम PUBG क्यों mention करते रहते हैं, the only reason we do this podcast for Akash is so that we get to play PUBG, not for any other reason.
Yeah, I only play
This is
PUBG with
our
Mom.
fees
They
because
record
we
this
get
podcast.
paid nothing. तो हम उसके वजह से हम ये करते हैं, ये आकाश के लिए वो करते हैं. वो आकाश has to play PUBG with us.
We are also available on YouTube. And give us a follow at VelePod on
Kevin
Instagram. as well.
literally left
Until
to
next
go
time,
get his
guys.
phone.
See ya. Yeah. Bhisham.